We're going to look into views. Now views is like a virtual table which is based on some SQL query, and it is normally like a table only. We can select from it, join it with other queries, filter from it, but the thing is it does not store data by itself. It's just like a query, and when we access that view, it executes that underlying query, and it gives me the fresh data each time. So the syntax for view is create view name as, select whatever columns we want from original table, where condition. Okay, so this is the query. So let us see one example. So here we can give whatever query we want, and then we say create view name as. Now what happens with this is whenever I want to execute this query, I only have to say select star from view name instead of giving it the whole query. So I'll show you one example. Let us say if I have so here from the posts, I only want to see the posts where the newsletter ID is 1. So now I can put this in a so here I say create view vn as here. Now here, now this is stored now in the view, and here I say select star from vn, and it shows me the result. And if I want, I can further filter this, apply anything on it. So it helps me to simplify any kind of repetitive logic that is there. So if there is any kind of reusable metrics, like any kind of a query, so this is the entire result that I get from joining posts, newsletters, and interactions. So this is one long query. And now so this is one long query, and what I can do here is I can say create view vp, so to indicate that it is the post interaction count, and then here I give this. And now if I say select star from VP, it will show me the same result. So instead of doing this, I can easily do this. So now let me show what happens when I update data, and we will see how it is actually fetching the data. So let me say update posts set name equal to AI rev instead of where name equal to AI revolution. Okay, so here so here I make use of single quotes here. One row affected. Now I have updated the posts table. Now you will see that it is updated here in VP also. See, so what is the underlying message? That view is executing the query that is there, and it is getting me the result then and there. So whatever are the reusable metrics, those also can be stored in views. Apart from that, if there is anything like if I have to hide sensitive data, that also can be used for views. So views helps me to maintain clear, clean data. So in general, we cannot update a view unless certain conditions are met. If it is based on a single table, if it does not use group by, distinct, join, union, limit, offset and aggregate function, and the column being updated is part of the base table. So if we have certain conditions, only then view can be updated. It should be based on a single table. It should not use group by, distinct or any of these, and the column which is being updated is part of the base table, and it is not a computed column that is there. It should not be a derived column. It should be a normal column. So in case if I follow all these conditions, then update on the view is also possible. Let me show you updating on this VN. Okay. So VN has AI rev. Now let me try to update VN in this case, and let me put this AI rev to AI revolutionary. So here I'm only trying to show you updating, because this particular view, which is VN, is based on a single table. So here update VN, set name equal to this AI revolutionary. So it shows one row affected, and then if I select it anywhere else, it shows AI revolutionary. I missed a U. Okay. So here update is possible on the view like this.